Citric acid occurs naturally in fruits like lemons, limes, grapefruits and oranges, among other fruits and vegetables in lesser amounts. The odorless and colorless compound was first derived from lemon juice by a Swedish researcher in 1784. Because of its acidic and sour-tasting nature, it is predominantly used as food additive. But citric acid uses reach far beyond food products and preservatives. In today's video, you will discover 6 practical uses and benefits these multitasking and affordable crystals have to offer, and how to use them. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. 1. Kidney stones treatment. Citric acid in the form of potassium citrate is often used to break down and prevent the formation of kidney stones. It binds with urinary calcium oxalate, which then reduces its saturation and prevents crystal growth. However, consuming foods high in this natural acid, like citrus fruits, can offer similar benefits. Drinking just 4 ounces of lemon or lime juice per day has been shown to significantly increase urine citrate levels without increasing oxalate levels. 2. It enhances mineral absorption. Citric acid enhances the bioavailability of minerals, including iron and zinc supplements. Combining this compound with a calcium-rich diet allows for increased retention of calcium and phosphorus in the bone. Prolonged administration has been found to help increase bone mineral concentration. Citric acid in human breast milk also increases iron absorption. 3. It prevents blood coagulation. Citric acid acts as an anticoagulant agent that chelates calcium, thus reducing the calcium content in the blood. Because it is a very efficient binder of calcium, it has been used in chelation therapy for heavy metal contamination. 4. It's an all-purpose disinfectant. Citric acid kills bacteria, some fungi and mildew, and is a very useful disinfectant for sanitizing and cleaning. It is an active ingredient in residential and commercial cleaning products and is regarded as a safer alternative to conventional disinfectants such as bleach. It has also been found to prevent human norovirus, a leading cause of foodborne illness. It can be used to clean toilet bowls, counters or any other surface in your home, even as a window or shower screen cleaner. 5. Laundry detergent. Citric acid is a common ingredient in laundry detergents. It works well as a fabric softener because it balances the pH of the detergent, especially in its powder form. Add some to your load of laundry, reducing the amount of soap you need accordingly. 6. It removes lime scale. Lime scale can be a challenge to get rid of without harsh chemicals. The abrasive powers of citric acid work to break down hard water buildup, which forms lime scale. It is a fantastic alternative to conventional lime scale removers, particularly if combined with warm or hot water. How to use citric acid. Citric acid can be bought in powder form and is usually available in health food stores and online. The Food and Drug Administration states that citric acid is generally recognized as a safe food additive. Be mindful, however, that the citric acid listed as an ingredient of many foods and supplements is actually manufactured and not naturally derived from citrus fruits. This is because producing this additive through natural sources makes it more costly and demand far exceeds supply. The average consumer is under the impression that the citric acid in packaged foods, beverages and supplements is derived from sources such as lemons and limes. This can be quite misleading. A more accurate terminology for this ingredient would be manufactured citric acid. The food-grade version is better suited for consumption. If you're using a solution with citric acid for cleaning purposes, the manufactured version makes a non-toxic household cleaner. To clean with citric acid, it is recommended to fill a spray bottle with hot water and add 2 generous tablespoons per liter. You can increase the concentration by mixing 6 parts of water with 1 part citric acid powder into a spray bottle and shake it before use. If you use a kettle often, simply fill it up with water, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of citric acid powder and bring it to a boil. You should be left with little to no lime scale sitting at the bottom. Make sure to rinse your kettle at least 3 times after cleaning to completely remove any sour taste residue. If you continue to clean it regularly, you may only need 1 tablespoon for maintenance. Mix in 2 parts sodium bicarbonate with 1 part citric acid makes an inexpensive and effective bath bomb. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.